and welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to typing.com student account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your typing.com account as a student is a straightforward process. You'll need to simply open up a web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.typing.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of typing.com, which looks like this. Typing.com is an online platform which offers typing lessons and tests for users of all ages. It is designed to help people improve their typing skills as well as their knowledge of the English language. From the main homepage of typing.com, in order to log in as a student, go and click the login button at the top right. Now in the pop-up, you will be able to see two options. You can log into your account as an instructor or as a student. Since we are logging as a student in today's video, let's click on the first option. This will now take you to the login area for students. You can log in using your Google account, Microsoft account, Clever, or Classic Link accounts. To log in using your username or email, go and type in your username or your email address associated with the account, and if you don't remember your name or your email, click on this link that says forgot your login info and follow the instructions till the end in order to look for it. After typing in your credential, click the next button in order to end up in the password text box. Now type in the password that you created while signing up for your account, and you can also look for help if you've forgotten your password by clicking on this forgot your login info link and follow the instructions. After filling in your password, click the next button and you'll be able to see that you've successfully logged in as a student on typing.com. Now go ahead and start your lesson by selecting one of the options over here you need help with, and that is how you can easily access your typing.com account as a student. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.